Prosecutors sought to delay the trial because of a lack of cooperation from their star witness, Vicky Lynn Terlaje. Defendant Joey Terlaje was indicted last December for felonious restraint and official misconduct for allegedly helping Terlaje's former boyfriend, then Jonia Mayor Jesse Bloss, restrain her against her will after an argument between the couple at a barbecue in 2017. Terlaje was represented by attorney Joey Terlaje.
Mr. Terlaje has been waiting many months for this day in court to prove to the world and everybody else that he's not guilty of these charges. There's no reason the government should have waited to the very last minute to decide whether or not she's even going to show up. And so the court agreed with our position and denied the government's request for a continuance.
He says the prosecution should never have brought the case in the first place.
I think it just goes to show that, as Mr. Terlaje has claimed from the beginning, this was an ill-conceived indictment, that the prosecutor's office was simply reacting to the district court judge's concerns as to why anybody else was not prosecuted. After all, the headlines were made accusing the former mayor of Jonia and the former marshal of this misconduct against Ms. Terlaje, when the record is clear that she's the one who has problems with complying with rules and orders.
Former Mayor Bloss was convicted in a separate drug case, but Terlaje's name surfaced during testimony by a federal agent in relation to the Terlaje incident. Attorney Terlaje says the negative publicity has, quote, had a devastating effect on his client and his family, including his father, Senator Jose Pito Terlaje.
Highly unfortunate that people's reputations are dragged through the mud and with sensationalized cases brought without proper justification or investigation into the case.
The court must still decide on a defense motion to dismiss the case with prejudice, which means the charges cannot be filed again. For KUAM News, I'm Nestor Lecanto.